The dust barely settles as the storm started kicking in, tearing off the last petal of the rose that grew from sin. Laughing at the has-been like a fish out of water, I was feverishly gasping, grasping for that purity like the snows of the aspens. Her innocence was lost even in the past tense, and I'm trying to make sense out of all of this bullshit nonsense. I got a pretty penny for the triple thought of your conscience, and a fifth of Remy for the muse that rots with your pestilence. And throughout it all, it was jumping guns, dodging bullets, fight or run, noise of music, all in none, sinking cruise ships. I repeat, jumping guns, dodging bullets, fight or run, noise of music, all in none, sinking cruise ships, brought on by those loose lips. And to the untrained eye, this all seems like fun, but happiness is like a warm gun with no prints on the murder weapon. So getting to the get-go and starting to step in, plotting to take over without an exit proves to be ineffective, but still a lesson learned of the crash and burn. Scattered ashes tend to leave an empty urn, desolate feelings yearn, creating single files all the while waiting, but it's never gonna be my turn. Instead it creates something hostile, like the suspect having his truth tested at the trial, like an empty vessel left to puke, but all that comes out is emptiness and bile. You exemplify all that is wretched and vile. Praying to a false god, kneeling on the bathroom tile. Praying to a false god, kneeling on the bathroom tile. But you're on camera, so wipe those lips off and crack yourself a smile. To each their own, and you chose this to reconcile? Well, fuck my tone, cause it's not my style. Sucks to be alone, but at least I got my inner child. And me and him kick up dust that barely settles in. When they were torn by the blowing wind, cut to pieces by the shredded metal that rips their skins and limbs. I was deeply saddened by the rose petals that existed only on a whim. Enlightened by the truth, at least now I can justify my grin. But still all that was lost, and you still have the nerve to say you win? Well, guess what? I'm the rolling stone that grows no moss, ever so confident that this continent compliments my woes by nailing you to the cross, but in no sense meant to be blasphemous. More like peeing on the electric fence and never elevating you to a higher being of existence. And don't forget to chew your words, cause I'll rot out your intestines. And I remember I once sought out that profound question, but I was locked out of the issue I was pressing, and I was bought out and forced to leave out through the entrance. So now my soul shouts out for those beings and went missing. Now I try to crawl out this hole I dug, dodging bait, cause my soul can no longer go on fishing, even though the boat has just been freshly christened. Listen. That's the sound of time in a bottle. Limelight shines and role models are set to toggle. Life is a game of Russian roulette of which I have yet to win this lotto. But I'll ante up the bets and just keep adding more and more bullets until there's absolutely nothing left. I think I make this my motto. Thank you, El Paso. Yeah.